Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be explaining the dance step by step and with the counts. And don't worry because this tutorial is mirrored, so feel free to follow me. If I'm speaking too fast or too slow, you can adjust the speed of the video in the YouTube settings. If you want to practice with the music, check the link in the description. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos. And if you're ready, let's get started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. First, we start by looking to the left, okay? And the counts go 1, 2, 3. Then we put our two hands into fist and the right goes up, then the left goes up, and then again the right goes up. And while doing that, we push our hips 3 times back and front. Altogether is right up, right up. Then we jump facing the right and we clap putting our hands above our head. And then it's 5, 6, 7. Now this time our left fist go up, then our right fist goes up, and then our left goes up. So it's left up, left up. And again, we jump while clapping. Okay, so let's repeat from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next, we cross our legs, right in the front, left at the back, and then we turn facing the back. While doing so, we raise our arms with our hands into fist and place them at the sides of our body. So when we cross, arms up, and then we turn to the back, leaving our arms down. And then again we cross our legs, arms stretched into fist, and we turn to the front. This time when we cross our legs, the left leg is at the front and the right leg is at the back. So when we're facing the front, right leg in front, and when we're facing the back, left leg in front. So again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's repeat from this part, from the beginning, so we don't forget. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 5, 6, 7, 8. So first we bend the right knee, okay? Then the left knee, and again the right knee. So when the right knee is bent, we bring our left arm stretched out into fist to the front, okay, looking down. Then we switch to the right hand, left knee is bent, and again we switch, okay, with the right hand. Okay, so let's repeat again from this part. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, nod. Okay, well done. Now let's repeat from the beginning, from this part, and then we will practice with the counts. So it is right up, right up, clap. Left up, right up, clap. Cross, cross, left, right, left, nod. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we start on 1, 2, 3, 4. First, we're going to slide our left hand across our forehead as if we were looking for somebody, and then flick it to the left. And we do the same thing with the right hand. We slide and flick. And while we flick our left hand to the left, we hide our right leg behind our left leg. So we flick and hide. And we do the same thing but with the other leg. We hide the left leg behind the right leg, and we look to the right side, okay? We flick our right hand. Let's repeat again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then on 5, 6, we push our hands down, first to the right and then to the center. So push to the right, push to the center. And when we push to the right, our legs are separated, and when we push to the center, our legs are joined together. So it's push to the right, push to the center. And when the song says tonight go crazy, we put our right hand into a gun gesture and we raise it up 2 times, and we jump at the same time 2 times. Okay, so very good. Now let's repeat from this part, okay? So we don't forget. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we go 1, 2, 3, 4. So for this part, first we lean forward slightly. Then we put the right hand in front of us. Then the left on top, right on top, left on top. Next, on 5, we stretch our arms, okay, we separate them, and we also separate our legs. So our body is facing the right side, our face is looking to the back. So when we stretch our hands, our face look back. Then we cross our arms in front of our chest. So cross, and when we cross, our face is looking to the front. And then we nod 2 times. Let's repeat this part, okay? So 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now let's go from this part. So it's right, left, right, left, stretch, cross, nod, nod. Now let's repeat from the beginning, from this part. Good job. So it's 5, 6, 7, 8. Slide, flick, slide, flick, push, down, jump, jump, right, left, stretch, cross, nod, nod. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next is APT, 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 APT. So we start on 1, 2, 3. So this is similar to the other move we did before. So we just bend our right knee, then our left knee, and then our right knee. So it's right, then left, then right again. And then we lean our body to the left, then to the right, and again to the left. Our hands are into fist, okay, they're raised up, and we just move side to side. So we go left, right, left. And while doing that, we switch our knees, so it's right knee, then left knee, and then again right knee. Then on 4, we have to jump, and we separate our legs, and we cross our arms in front of our chest. Then we bend the right knee and bend the left knee. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so let's repeat from this part, okay, from the beginning. And it is 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next, we go 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me explain the legs first. So first the right leg goes out, then it goes in, then the left leg goes out and it goes in. While doing so, we lift our right hand and we just push it down 4 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so let's repeat from this part again. Okay, so we don't forget. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. After that, we jump. Okay, looking to the left side. So we jump and we put our arms in front of our chest. We cross them. And on 7, 8, we put our left hand on top of our ear and we slide our right hand, okay, front and back 2 times. You just have to pretend you're a DJ. Well done. So let's repeat this part again. So it's 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. You did great. We've already finished with the tutorial, but let's repeat from this part so we don't forget, and then we go with the count all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.